So here's a quick tip to find the center of a board that does not have an exact hole number width. So if you look here, this board is a little under 4 5/8. Now, off the top of my head, I don't know how to find the exact center of that. So what you can do is set up your measuring device with that corner on one side, and then you bring a whole numbered, preferably divisible by 2, to the other side. And then what you do, once you have that pretty set up, you mark the center of that number right here, and there you go. There you have the center of the board. That's a little over 2 1/4, and a little over 2 1/4.